Hello guys, I have a good news for you. Do you know that you can have a free licensed AutoCAD 2020? In this session, I will show you how to register and download AutoCAD 2020. Go to Autodesk website. Then go to menu, select downloads, select free student software, and select AutoCAD. In this page, create an account. After creating an account, you will receive a notification email from Autodesk for verification. After verification, go back to the previous page. Select Sign In. Next. After you sign in, the Autodesk will now allow you to download AutoCAD. In this page, just click the version of AutoCAD you like, the operating system, 64-bit only available, and the language. Then, click Install. The AutoCAD will automatically download and install in your PC. After installation, run the program and you will receive Autodesk activation and registration email. That's all. Enjoy learning from my channel and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.